Hello friends, most of the people in India use Reliance Jio or Jio 4G SIM card in their mobile. But we all know Jio is very slow and it is getting slow day by day. But why? What is the reason that Jio is becoming very much slow? Still they are saying that they will shift to the 5G network. Why their 4G network still slow? What is the hidden reasons? Jio or Ambani will never say to you why the network is slow. I am going to expose Reliance Jio in this video, why their network is slow, how they are cheating with their customers. So without wasting any time, let's begin this video. Reliance Jio is right now only the telecom sector company in India. They are in running business in profit, not in loss like Vodafone or Airtel. So they are basically earning lots of money. But still they are in a bad position. Their network coverage, customer satisfaction and their speed, everything is becoming very much bad. For that reason, I do not use Reliance Jio almost 3 years in 4G. Basically in mobile I do not use Jio. Now the question is coming, why it is slow? Only for the huge customer base, all the customers are using internet at the same time, or there is some hidden reason? There is basically two reasons. So first reason is, yes, lots of users, but again the responsibility goes to the Ambani or basically Jio. What happens? So basically they know that on the particular time, like if any kind of live cricket match is going on, they know that yes, that time all the customers will come here. So their responsibility is to increase the bandwidth and also install lots of servers. What happens basically, whatever region you surf internet, when you check the public IP address, it will be like big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, this kind of big cities name will be there. Your small city name will never showing up in the IP address, because all the regions, all the internet data comes to a single point, that is basically the main city's main server. From there that is routed to outside India or whatever their required destination is. So the question is coming, they are not installing enough servers to serve the customers. Yes, they are installing small base towers or basically amplifying the signal to get the signal strength and tower in your mobile, but it is not enough to get the internet speed. You will get the mobile network full or your 4G, VoLTE, whatever Jio shows there as a network coverage, they will cover up those things, but the quality of their service, basically the internet speed, will not improve, because or how many tower you install, you are not installing the server. That is the reason. Now the question is coming, you are in the profit, only company in profit, so you have huge customer base, so you are earning lots of money. So why you are not investing those money in improving your infrastructure, basically the 4G network? Because of profit. Jio only thinks about money. They don't care about customers. So whatever your bad experience, they don't care, because people are recharging. That is the reason. Unless and until people say that, well, look at this, we are not gonna use this network, we are gonna shift to some other network, just port out from Jio, that is not happening. Because the reason is Jio provides some additional offer like Jio TV, Live TV, or Jio Savan, Jio Cinema, this kind of complete package deal, means add-on service. They are not focusing in network infrastructure, speed, customer satisfaction, quality of internet, ping time. They are not care about it, because most of the people in India don't care about it. They don't know enough knowledge of network, internet, etc. So don't care about it. Okay, the mobile is on, internet is coming, we can use Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, that's it. 90% of the Indian people, I can say, they only keep in between this, they only use those things. If this kind of apps are okay running, okay fine, they don't care about it. So that's why Jio also don't care about it. So Jio knows their customer base, what they want. They want quantity, not the quality. Now the next question is coming. Another thing is that Jio forcefully, intentionally slow down your internet speed, basically in the upload quota. So when you do any kind of Zoom or Skype meeting for your work from home, you will notice that your voice will reach in a bad manner. It will buffer to other end, but you can see everything in your mobile or desktop because your downlink is enough, around 2 Mbps, but your uplink is very bad, 0.2, 0.3 so Mbps. So yes, your uplink is being capped. Why? Here is the glitch, that you just think about any product. If you purchase from retail store, what happens? First it is manufactured, then it comes to the wholesale market. After wholesale market, it reaches the product retailers. After that, you go to retail shop, they sell these products in one by one customers. So after wholesale, it comes to the retailer, basically the customers. Directly customers cannot interact with the wholesalers if you want to buy only single 1 or 2 product. Same thing happened to internet. Jio is not the tier 1 network all over globally. They have to buy some bandwidth internet from the tier 1 network, which is basically a global company which serves internet, and they take care about submarine cables to transmit data under the sea using some fiber optic cable. You know how the internet works. That's the basic things. Main submarine cable, backbone cable of internet are being taken care by tier 1 companies. So here Jio have to buy those bandwidth. Now if Jio by somehow can reduce internet by 5% or 10% users, for example you have 2 GB of quota every day, somehow Jio suppress the internet speed and you are not able to do 2 GB data, you are only using 1.8 or 1.9 GB data. So there is 100 MB or 200 MB. For example, let's take it around 100 MB data. So 1 month into 100 MB, what it will be? You just calculate it. It will be around 3 GB. So per customer they are saving 3 GB around data, and you just imagine lots of millions and millions users right now in Jio. So just multiply with 3 GB those millions and millions users, you will get huge amount of internet bandwidth, and Jio is saving those bandwidth and they are earning, they're profiting from those bandwidth because people did not consume it. And as people did not consume it, the tier 1 companies or the basically you can say wholesaler of internet will not charge Jio for the unused bandwidth, because these things happen postpaid and you are recharging prepaid. So based on the usage, tier 1 company charged Jio, but Jio is not charging you on a prepaid SIM on based of uses. You are just buying this amount of quota, this amount of bandwidth. Whether you are using or not using, Jio don't care. You have to pay for that money. So your payment is fixed, but the payment of tier 1 network is not fixed. It is based on the usage. So if Jio intentionally reduce those bandwidth by somehow at least 1% or 2%, it will be huge amount of benefit for the Reliance Jio. So first thing, they are not taking care about customer satisfaction and they are not installing enough servers to handle the internet bandwidth. And number 2, they are unethically reducing the internet speed to get some benefit over the bandwidth usage from the tier 1 suppliers. So in both way, they are win-win situation and they are earning lots of money, and people, I don't know why they are not opting out from Jio, just because of those some live TV or some other things. Remember, the live TV of Jio TV can be was using some third-party apps like Kodi right now. So yes, you can watch live TV anywhere in the world if you have internet, but I don't know why people only focus the live TV, not taking care of the quality. So I think Indians should focus on the quality, not the quantity. And I don't know when this will change, but yes, this is the reality. The smart users of internet know this very much, so they don't care about Jio. Those people are focused on the quality. I think they don't use Jio anymore. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share this video, and if you still not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel to get more tech contents like this. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.